Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you get notified. So it's now easy to buy and pay on Installmenta in Kuwait. Either you want to buy any kind of gadget, mobile phones, and other accessories, which of course you need for yourself in Kuwait. Definitely, you can use this kind of apps to buy any kind of items which you need, and you can pay back in Installmenta on when you have the money available with you. So it's very easy to use this app, which is called Easy Buy in Kuwait, to buy any kind of things which of course you will need in Kuwait and pay back installmentally. So you don't have to stretch it on yourself when you are trying to buy things, because this app will definitely help you in buying that kind of thing. They will find the nearest merchant for that particular things which of course you need, and then you can pay back on Installmenta. So it's very easy to use this platform to buy any kind of things which of course you need for yourself. So you can see this is a tire, this is mobile phone, and this is mobile phone, and many other things which of course you will be able to benefit from this app. I'm going to walk you through to know how this app works and what you should expect from them. So I'm trying to get into about this app, so you'll be able to see what exactly you'll be able to benefit from this app. And I want to also let you know that this app has been in existence for a while now, and they keep on updating the app in order to make sure they are able to satisfy to your need. So to expand its range of service, the company has introduced a new installment sales service called Easy Buy to its customer in June 2017. So like I said earlier, this app has been in existence for a while. Probably you may not know it's existing. So through this service, the company provides its customer with a facility to own consumer durable goods with flexible installment. So customer can avail the facility to buy a wide range of durable goods, including electronics, mobile appliances, and furniture from AI Adan partner outlets. So they partner with some companies which of course they have everything that you may also need, and this service is designed to offer prompt approval to eligible customers with simple documentation and flexible payment starting from 5 Kuwait currency 5 per month, which of course, moreover, customer can pay their installment easily online through the company website. So it's very easy to get along with this platform, and you can definitely check them out if you are very much interested in getting a loan for your items, which of course is actually a loan. So you have to pay back as when you have it in plan, in order to make sure that there won't be issue when you do not pay back the money equivalent of that kind of items, which of course you collect from the platform. So you can check the website and check the app out today if you're in Kuwait. So this app is only available for Kuwait users, so for Kuwait residents of course. So you can check them out and let me know if this app works best for you. So let me know through the comment section if it works best for you, and I'll be able to get in touch with you. Thank you.